Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI's 240Hz WQHD gaming laptop. So friend, MSI has introducing two gaming laptop models including the 17.3-inch WQHD gaming notebook PC GP76-12UHS-853JP with GeForce RTX 3080 Ti, and friend, the LCD display screen has a refresh rate of 240Hz. Even in battle royale and first-person shooter games that can need a high refresh rate, the CPU's Core i7-12700H can render pictures smoothly. And friend, the principal specification includes 16 GB of DDR4 memory, 1 TB of NVMe M.2 SSD storage at 2.5 Gbps LAN network, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2. And friend, the battery is 65 hours by 4 cells by 4160 mAh, has a maximum continuous driving duration of 7 hours. And friend, pre-installed operating system is Windows 10 Home. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.